Hey y'all. Oh my gosh, I look so bad, but you just have to excuse it. That's how this video is gonna be. I feel like that's like my new intro. Me apologizing for looking like trash. But anyways, I thought this would be kind of cool. I'm in a wedding this weekend. I'm a bridesmaid. Usually for me, getting ready for an event, whether it's a wedding, some formal event, even if it's just having a big night out with my friends, it's a process. And big things like weddings, it takes more than a day because like it's such a big event, you know? So I thought it'd be kind of cool to take you through my week of getting ready for a big event. This is like DIY version of it because like not a lot of money is going into this, which might be more relatable and more budget friendly for y'all, but you could always do like the more expensive version of this. You know what I mean? If that makes any sense. So today's Monday, the wedding's on Saturday, so I'm starting out my wedding day prep, even though I'm not the bride. I feel like I'm doing the most for just being a bridesmaid. But today we're to start out with a pedicure for my toes. That's what pedicures are for. I don't know why I said add that last part, but I'm just gonna repaint my toenails, and I think I'm gonna like time lapse most of the stuff because it's not like the most interesting things, but I thought it'd just be kind of cool to see like what I do. Like, gonna fix my eyebrows, gonna repaint my fingernails, gonna repaint my toenails, gonna get my hair done, like, you know, all these little things, and just kind of cool to take y'all along. So here goes nothing. I think this will be boring, but who knows? If you guys need help with like deciding on how to prep for a big event without breaking the bank, I'm the girl for you. Okay, let's get to it. Actually, I'm already back. I'm choosing between these two colors for my nails, both my fingernails and toenails. They're gonna be the same color. I don't know why I'm caring so much about it because, well, fingernails are more important because people actually see that, like, whew, that's atrocious. But my toenails, like, no one's gonna see because my dress is long and you're not gonna see it, but, you know, everything matters, right? So I'm trying to decide between these two. I don't know which one I like. I kind of like this one better, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. Like, this is, it's like more pink and this is just more tan. I don't want to like sample it because I'm too lazy, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. And I'm probably gonna put you guys on a time lapse while I paint my toenails. And if you don't like feet, then just like skip this part because my feet aren't cute by any means. Okay, it's day 2 of wedding week, and I don't really have anything that I need to do today, but I do face masks like once a weekish. Well, I try to do it once a week, and I use the Indian Healing Clay, this one. It's on Amazon for like 10 bucks. So I try to do this like once a week because that's what they recommend, and usually I do it around Tuesday. So I thought I would show you guys how I do this face mask. It is the best face mask of all time, in my personal opinion. So I physically see a difference in my skin. Like, I feel like it dries out any breakouts. It's just magic. Like, your pores just like disappear, just smooths out your skin. I don't know. And it's just great. It's very powerful though. So like, you don't need to do it more than once a week. So since I did this last week, it's like my day to do it. I'm not necessarily doing this because of a special occasion, but it falls during this week, so I thought I'd show y'all.
go.
Hey y'all, it is Thursday. I didn't film anything on Wednesday, but I did do something as part of my wedding getting ready whatever thing. Excuse my hair. Today's hair washing day. I'll get to that in a little bit. But one other thing that I do before special occasions is well, this is going to guarantee that I never get married and never date. So go me. But your girl is more on the hairy side. So before special occasions, I like to remove the hair off my arms because I don't like it. Usually you can wax it, laser it, shave it, but I don't recommend shaving because shaving is just something you gotta be careful. You have to do some research before you do that. But I use this Nair cream and it's like super easy. You just put it on when you're in the shower, which is why I didn't film it. And it's great. Sometimes I don't know if it's good for you essentially, but it removes hair. It sometimes leaves redness, and one time I had like a scab from it. I'm just being transparent because if y'all want to do this, I just want you guys to know it's not like, it's worth the money. Like you're paying like 10 bucks or 12 bucks for it. So it's like you either pay to get waxed, pay to get laser hair removal, and this is just like the cheap version of hair removal. So I think it's worth it. I think eventually in the future, your girl's gonna invest in laser hair removal just like everywhere because I hate hair. But yeah, I did that and it did a really good job. I missed a spot, but like I don't care. And that is the latest thing that I've done. I have some other stuff that I'm going to take you guys along, so stay tuned. Okay, my camera is not working. I don't know why, but so I'm on Snapchat right now and I wanted to film this earlier, but it was hard because there were cars next to me and I didn't want them to see me filming myself, and then I felt too awkward to go do a time lapse. Well, my camera wasn't working anyway, so I couldn't have done it, but I just got my hair done professionally and it looks so good. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wanted to get it done before Lauren's wedding and it looks so, oh dang it, I wasn't looking at the camera, but it looks so good. Y'all, I went to Reed Campbell in Auburn, Alabama, and if you guys want to get your hair done, go to her. She is so good. Like, I'm obsessed. I'll try to put before and after pictures somewhere here, but I love it. I'm being super quiet, but the next thing I need to do is my eyebrows. It's not like terrible, but I could tweeze a little bit, and I don't get my professional again. I do it myself. I use a little tweezer, so y'all just watch me time lapse this. It's not that interesting, but part of the process, and it's not in the shower or not in an awkward public place, so you guys can actually watch this. I'm not wearing makeup. It's like 12:30 at night, I think, so I waited very last minute to do this, but gotta do what you gotta do.